Hi, Luca from fullfreesoftware.net. In this video I will explain step by step how to fix the problem with smbus controller. But first let's say what is smbus controller. The smbus controller is a management subsystem used in computers to facilitate communication between low-speed components such as temperature sensors, fans, and other peripherals related to system management. The smbus is a secondary interface of the I2C protocol and is primarily used for communication between the central processor and external devices that require monitoring and control of the system status. Uses and functions of the smbus controller include temperature monitoring, collecting data from temperature sensors to prevent overheating. Fan control, adjusting fan speeds according to component temperatures. Power management, supervising and adjusting power levels for optimal energy efficiency. Error reporting, recording and reporting system errors for identifying and resolving issues. If you see an indication for the smbus controller in the Windows Device Manager without the appropriate driver installed, you may need to download and install the necessary drivers from the motherboard manufacturer or the processor manufacturer. Now let's fix this problem. First, you need to open Computer Management. You can do this either from this PC or by searching in the Start search box. Then follow the next steps. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and visit the website as well fullfreesoftware.net for giveaway software.